How to download and install Edge Bitcoin and crypto wallet application. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. So let's jump to the process. To install Edge application, you need to first open your App Store for iOS. For an Android, open your Google Play Store. I am going on with my Play Store. Now tap on the search icon present on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar present at the top. Then type in Edge Wallet. After this, tap on the search icon present on your keyboard. Now here you can see Edge Bitcoin and Crypto Wallet. Tap on Edge Bitcoin and Crypto Wallet. Now tap on Install option. Wait for a few seconds till your application gets installed. After your application gets installed, you can find the option of Open present on the right side. You can tap on Open option. With this, now you can use your Edge Bitcoin and Crypto Wallet application. Here on my home screen, you can see my Edge Bitcoin and Crypto Wallet application has been downloaded and installed. And this is how you download and install Edge Bitcoin and Crypto Wallet application. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.